We've come halfway around the world to the Great Wall of China. You know, the Great Wall was built over hundreds of years by no doubt thousands of people who constructed it out of natural material like stone. But today we're here to talk about a company called Dasso who uses another natural product and is a global leader in using this product, and that's bamboo. Some of the products we make are flooring, furnishings, and many other products for both indoors and outdoors. But as you watch this video, you're going to see how Dasso manages the forest, the bamboo forest itself, through harvesting into design of the products and then on out to the finished product itself. We'll see the factory and many other things. So as you watch this video, you're really going to see how Dasso is a global innovator of bamboo products. I'm here at Dasso's Eco Solid Forest factory. You can hear some of the factory sounds in the background. But here we're really at the first stage of the whole process of transforming this beautiful green bamboo into Eco Solid Forest flooring. This area is just designed for containing the bamboo. It only stays here about a week or so. And we're close to the forest, which is only about 30 miles away, and that helps keep the product fresh. Once it comes here, it sits for only a week, and then it's transported into the factory to begin the process. So it's really cool how they get it there. A little old time, but check out what happens. The bamboo stalks are then placed on a cart and sent to the facility for processing. Then each stalk is cut to a 4-foot length. The steaming process kills any potential insects and allows for the carbonizing process to take place, followed by pressing to flatten the bamboo stalk. Planks are now ready to have a tongue and groove or click system cut on the edge. Once the homemade machine finishes the edge cutting process, random planks are chosen to test the quality of the click system and to ensure that each plank is the same thickness. The last step includes a final QC and packaging. The hardness of a flooring is tested by dropping a steel ball from a consistent height. The indentation is measured and the actual dent can be seen on typical bamboo. EcoSolid, on the other hand, shows only the location the steel ball hit by the ink print left from the carbon paper. No impression was made. So there's the tour of our EcoSolid Forest factory. You can see that it comes from the green bamboo all the way to the EcoSolid Forest floor. It's an incredible process, patented process by the way, and I can't tell you all the details, but we saw today cutting from the forest, splitting it here in the factory, running through many other processes, and then end up being EcoSolid Forest flooring. It's green, it's renewable, it's sustainable, super durable, and excellent for any project that you're working on.
从我个体来讲的话呢，我是从事造型艺术的研究教学工作，大概有差不多20年时间。那接下来实际上我现在的兴趣是把我个人的这些特长能够放在这个竹材的应用方面，开发、应用和设计，因为我觉得这是一个未来的材料。
对于产品设计师来说，我们希望把产品做得更好，因为这样能够带给人家更好的一个生活体验。对于一个家居设计师来讲，我希望说能够做出更好的产品，能够带给大家，让他们能够体现到一种美或者一种功能，更加的实用。
我们都知道，产品的开发对一个企业来说它非常重要。我们会认真地理解客户的需要和市场的需求。 通过我和我团队的努力去实现它。
作为设计师，我觉得竹材是一种很具有美感和环保的一款材料，然后我很幸运能够用它来实现我心目中最完美的产品。
I'm here at the Dasso home office in Hangzhou, China. And here we are at our Great Wall, if you will, some of the products and projects we've produced over the years. For example, if you look at the first one here, you can see wind turbines that are crafted from bamboo to increase and produce green energy. Then in this office scene, beautiful ceiling tiles as well as wall applications and furnishings. Then one of our most notable projects, the Madrid airport, the bamboo ceiling slats, incredibly crafted from bamboo. Then also we see exterior applications with XTR and interior applications in automobiles, in BMW dashboards. And finally, two other locations. The Shanghai Financial Building has an incredible array of bamboo on the wall, and in the Microsoft offices here in China, they have bamboo countertops. So these are just some of the projects and products that we've created over the years, and on the horizon are many new products and many new projects that will be crafted from Dasso bamboo.